Updating your legal name on PayPal is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account reflects your new name quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you are using the account that needs the name update. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile icon or the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Name Change option. In the account settings menu, look for the option related to personal information or name change. Click on it to proceed with updating your legal name. Step 4. Provide required documentation. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Esrip to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After submitting your documentation, review your changes and confirm. PayPal will process your request, which may take a few days. You will receive a notification once your name has been updated. Once you've completed these steps, your legal name on PayPal should be updated. Make sure to check back for confirmation and enjoy using your account with the correct information.